Natural solution of snoring. Snoring is caused by vibrations caused by the passage of air over the soft tissue of the palate and uvula. Snoring can, however, be indicative of more serious problems like sleep apnea. Snoring is not usually considered a health problem and does not bother the person who snores, from which a good part of the snorer would suffer. The louder the snore, the more likely it is to be accompanied by apnea. Ingredients: 2 green apples, 2 carrots, 1 lemon, 1 slice of ginger. Preparation: start by cutting the carrots and apples into small pieces. Then peel the ginger, squeeze the lemon before you put all the ingredients into a blender. After obtaining a homogeneous mixture, you only need to consume this drink every night before sleeping, at least 30 minutes before bedtime. Some marriages are broken because of this. Snoring is a big problem in most homes. Share this knowledge, you won't regret. I'm Mwonge Joram. For skin and reproductive health products or to lecture, just DM. Still, you can follow me on Instagram at Joram Mwonge JM and YouTube at Joram Mwonge.